Hey, third graders. Mrs. Baker tells me that you are interested in learning how to make QR codes, so I'm going to show you how to go about doing that. And what you're going to see over here is, it's right over that way, is a video that I posted on YouTube. It's a project request for a fifth grade group of students. And what I don't want to do is I don't want to have to go and type in this really long URL or write that down on a piece of paper and then make it really challenging for kids to be able to access that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a QR code for this particular website. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is figure out what it is that you want to post. Once you figure that out, you're going to copy the URL, which is the web address. Then you're going to go to a website called qrstuff.com, and it looks like this page here. It's got kind of a purplish background. So what you're going to do is once you figure this out, you're going to figure out what kind of data type that you're going to put on there. For a lot of these, website URL will be fine. It can be a direct link to a YouTube video. Lots of different things can go on in there. For your use, probably a website URL or a YouTube video will be fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and paste in the website URL that I had already gotten from my YouTube channel. And I could have used the YouTube video over here, but I decided not to. From here, you have a couple of choices to make. The first is, do you want this to be a static or a dynamic QRL? And the way that I look at it, the easiest thing to do is to make it a static QR code. So you're going to make sure that this box right here, static, is checked. If you want to know more about that, there's some information there that you can take a look at. We're not going to mess around with the colors or anything. We're going to leave it standard black. Here is an image of what it looks like. Whoops. And then from here, you have a couple of choices. You can download it directly from this button, or you can choose to download it, print it, or email it. Again, for your purposes, you're probably going to end up going with the download. So once you click that, it's actually going to download your image down here. Then you can go ahead and open that up, and that's an image of your QR code. And you can take an iPad or a smartphone and test to make sure that it works. But that's all there really is to it. You're going to want to make sure that you do download and save your QR code so that if you want to use it multiple times, that you're able to do that. Once you have that done, there's lots of different things you can do with it. You can put it into a Word document or a Publisher document. You can put it on a web page. You can put it on a poster. There's lots of different things. So that's how you go about creating one of these, and hope this was helpful.